I was driving down the road, just minding my own business, when in my rearview mirror, I noticed something huge coming up from behind. At first, I thought it was just another bus or maybe a big truck, but as it got closer, I realized this wasn't anything ordinary. It was a motorhome. And wow, it was massive, longer than anything I'd ever seen on the road. I couldn't just drive past, I had to see it closer. So I pulled over safely, grabbed my camera, and started walking toward it. From a distance, the scale is insane. Standing next to it, you immediately notice you're not just looking at a motorhome. It's like a moving mansion, huge, imposing, and sleek all at once. Filming it, POV, handheld, you feel the scale. Walking closer, the stairs and entrance are the first details that hit you. Wide, solid steps, inviting yet impressive, and you can feel the quality of the materials just by looking at them. Stepping inside, the lounge immediately grabs your attention. Massive sofas, panoramic windows, letting sunlight pour in, ambient lighting that makes it feel bright and luxurious. It's open, spacious, and comfortable. Normally, when people think of RVs, they imagine tight, cramped spaces. But here, it feels like walking into a real living room. You could spend hours here relaxing, watching the scenery, or just enjoying the space. Moving from the lounge into the kitchen, and this is where it really hits you. Marble countertops, modern appliances, plenty of storage. This isn't just functional, it's beautiful. 2 people could cook comfortably here, even while traveling across the country. Next, the bedroom. And wow, this is where it starts feeling like a hotel suite. Full king-size bed, soft lighting, spacious layout. You can forget you're even inside a vehicle. The bathroom is just as impressive. Full shower, sink, mirror, everything you'd expect in a home. Walking in, you notice the finishes, the space, the luxury touches, and filming POV style. It all feels real, like you're actually exploring it yourself. Stepping back outside, you get the true scale again. The length, the height, the sleek lines, even parked, it looks like it belongs in a luxury showroom. As I watched it slowly move forward on the road, it was fascinating. You realize just how incredible it is to see something like this rolling down the street. A massive, fully autonomous, luxurious motorhome. So if you ever see something like this on the road, don't just drive past, stop, explore, walk around it, look inside, feel the scale, because moments like this, they don't come every day. And after seeing it in person, it's clear this isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion, a mobile luxury residence, and experiencing it POV style, step by step, that's what makes it unforgettable.